It's not me. I'm pretty sure if that camera did not catch me, and Sheba, he catch me like 10,000 times.
Everywhere.
So please, it's not me. You see, even Abby was like, you don't see who. She's like, oh, that.
That's what I was in the corner.
You were in one static mirror from beginning to the end. You didn't move from that mirror. It's the same thing you do at parties. You stand in front of the mirror. Like, what is going on? It's the same thing as Abby.
She just wants a friend that will not be friends with anybody.
Body.
So what's the agenda here?
Was he aware that you were
Yeah, I feel like maybe him have been saying that
exactly.
but at the same time, I also want to know what it is. I mean, I'm very upfront. I've told him before, like, you can't fuck with this person, fuck with me. And he's like, oh, that's not fair. But I'm like, it's not fair, but at the same time, like, I feel like you should be able to choose. But he wants to places where, like...
And she doesn't have the personality to be one friend.
Good.
Because I'm the kind of person that can do that kind of friend. I would prefer...
Yesterday, Barry was telling Aiku that he has an idea of a book for him. They think he should write a book about all the housemates. Each chapter will carry your name. So like chapter 4, Goddessa. Chapter 5, Sheba. Oh, it's such an interesting this thing. And you were in the conversation. I know you could say, I could write a about people you are not that interesting. I'm telling you, bro. You saw that one I said, bro, you are boring. You are the most boring person here.
Thank you.
If you're not fighting, there's nothing else to you. So your whole chapter will likely be 1 page or 2 pages, that's all. She said, you wish.
Who told her?
Yusuf.
You wish.
Say you wish that she's very... You are what? What are you?
See my face. You make me spoil my face.
I am who I say I am. I don't fake it. I am what you see. What you see is what you get.
You're what?